Good evening everyone, myself Prabhakar Paladugulu. I am going to deal with a small demo in trigonometry. In trigonometry, we are going to deal with three topics. What are they? First one is Pythagoras theorem, second one is basic trigonometry, and third one is trigonometric ratios. And we will be followed with a small few examples on trigonometric ratios. Okay. Well, what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem mainly deals with and only deals with right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, what are we having? We are having ABC is a right angle triangle where AB is the perpendicular and BC is the base and AC is an hypotenuse. So what is the formula to find Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem, okay? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of perpendicular and base. So this is about Pythagoras theorem. Next topic is trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? We are going to deal with trigonometry is also going to deal with only right angle triangles. And what is the difference between Pythagoras theorem and trigonometry? In Pythagoras theorem, they are going to give us the sides, only about sides, whereas in trigonometry they are going to give us angles. So that is the only difference. So this is a small right angle triangle ABC where B is an right angle triangle. So this is 90 degree. We can choose either C or A as our angles. It depends. So here I have taken familiar one theta. Theta is nothing but an angle. You can take theta or phi or x, anything. But mostly theta is preferable in trigonometry. So next we are going to deal with trigonometric ratios. What is trigonometric ratios? First of all, what is ratio? In ratio we will be having one numerator and denominator. So this is a small right angle triangle again, ABC, where AB is an perpendicular, BC is an base and AC is an hypotenuse. Okay, the first ratio or trigonometric ratio is sin theta. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. So how to find sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. So next angle, cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but base by hypotenuse. I hope you people got it. So the third one is tan theta. What is tan theta? Perpendicular by base. These are the three main angles, and we are having other three angles also, which are the reciprocals of them respectively. So what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of cos theta. So what is sin theta? Again, sin theta is nothing but h by p. So cosec theta is equal to reciprocal of sin theta. So what is cosec theta? H by p. Next one, secant theta. It is reciprocal of cos theta. So 1 by cos theta is nothing but h by b. So next one is cot theta. It is reciprocal of tan theta. It is nothing but b by p. Now we will be dealing with some problems regarding the trigonometric ratio. What is the first problem? What is cos theta for the triangle below? So this is a triangle, right angle triangle ABC, where this near here we are having 90 degree, and as I said you before, you can take either A or C as your angle. So in this question we are taking A, and which is represented as theta. So ABC, P is nothing but again perpendicular, B is nothing but base, and H is nothing but hypotenuse. This is very simple one. So cos theta. What is cos theta? According to you people, cos theta is nothing but a ratio of, cos theta is nothing but ratio of B is nothing but base and H is hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to B by H. So what is B by H? What is B? B is nothing but BC and H is nothing but AC. So next one, we will be knowing what is the relation between sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So this is again a small right angle triangle ABC. So P is perpendicular, B is base, H is hypotenuse. So as we know what is sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is nothing but base by hypotenuse, tan theta is nothing but perpendicular by base. So here we are having some relations. What is the relation? We will be checking that. The relation is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but P by H, cos theta is nothing but B by H. So H will get cancelled, so it is P by B. So tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. This is one relation, and the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So the reciprocal of tan theta will give us cos by sin. So this is one small relation, and we are having one last problem. If sin A is equal to 5 by 13, find tan A. Options 5 by 12, 12 by 5, 12 by 13 and 13 by 12. This is our right angle triangle A, B, C. So here they are taking our angle is A. Don't get confused. Here our angle is A, not theta. So the angle is also taken near the point A. See, this is the angle. This is 90 degree. So what is the question? Find tan A. They are giving us sin A. So what is tan A? Tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A, as I said you before. So we know what is sin A. It is 5 by 13. We don't know what is cos A. Okay. Cos A is, what is cos A? Cos A is nothing but base by hypotenuse. So here we are using Pythagoras theorem. You people are getting. So here we are using Pythagoras theorem, that is nothing but AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. So what is AB? AB is nothing but 13, BC is nothing but 5, AC we don't know what is AC. So we are just swapping that side, so it becomes B square is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. B is equal to square root of 13 square minus 5 square is equal to square root of 169 minus 25 root of 144. So that is equal to 12. So here we know what is now all the three sides. So cos A is equal to 12 by 13, tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, that is equal to 5 by 12. Thank you.